All right, for instance, what character in Jamaica right now, or what Jamaican character do you think would have a box office seller right now if we should make a biopic about them or a movie? Any character, any character.
Any character.
Any Jamaican character. Because say somebody and it's gonna blow your mind.
I think a bounty killer biopic would go crazy.
No. If Jamaica want do box office numbers,
Yeah.
a biopic pan Christopher Doddo's Coke.
Oh, I mean,
welcome to the Dale Elliott podcast. I am your host, Dale Elliott, and I am here with my co-host, Crooks.
one scotch, one bourbon, and
What's that?
one beer. Remember that old song there?
One
Choop, choop, one scotch, one bourbon, one beer.
I don't know none of that.
Old tune, man. Comments.
But normally, me would have know the old tune them, but
That was a rare pull for real.
that one that gone left me. People, can we like the video as soon as the podcast come up?
Just like immediately.
Just like the video. Just like the video and just subscribe to the channel. Right now, like it more than even subscribe it right now.
Since you don't know, I share.
Sharing is too much, I think.
That's a high ask.
But just like the video one step at a time. We
Yes.
can't subscribe, so no, just like the video one step at a time.
Here's our extra question. Do y'all have your notifications turned on for it?
No, you ask them for the too much.
I mean, if you subscribe already, because some
get-
of them might have subscribed, but them not have them notifications. And I see,
Put it in the comments.
I see people be like, "Oh, I missed that episode, yeah. How much?" Cause your notifications never on.
Can you notifications?
Notifications, you see me?
Coming.
There was a delay.
There was a little delay. But I have a confession.
Yeah.
The reason why I not eat fish was because bone did stuck in my throat when I ate. I can't look up. I just will never
You've
do
just
it
been
again.
scarred ever since.
Yeah. I despise people who eat fish. Like when me see a man, if I see a man just eating like
Like a whole fish?
a snapper,
Yeah.
me just hate him. Me look upon him like you are a devil. Like
What about fillets? What about like
no. I know the same. Me not feel manly. Me feel like no. But a real thing, if you are out there just casually sitting and just eating a whole fish, moving the bones are you're a serial killer.
I mean, you know, serial killer, that's a bit extreme.
I don't like food that take too long to eat. Like, me not have no patience for eat fish, brother. A fish bone ever stuck in your throat yet?
Yeah, but I mean, you know, that's why you have to eat carefully, you know.
Brother, me still feel like me I feel a fish bone.
No, man, you have to...
Brother, when fish bone stuck in your throat, brother,
No, dangerous, man. Them say you have to eat like bread or crackers. For
you try solar no matter what you feel a little juke there.
it's like it just sideways. Like, you know,
Enough to stay there, so me tell you.
yeah, but you shouldn't be eating the fish bowl. You should also, you know, slow down. You know, that's really what it is.
No, me feel like what are the main reasons them why me not eat fish off a fish bone?
Yeah.
And then crab take too much time to eat.
I don't think crab worth it. Like, I don't think crab is like honestly, it's one of the seafoods that I feel like, all right, guys, what are we doing?
What we are do?
Like,
What we are do with this? So we are gonna catch this big old sitting spread on a whole plate and then broke it up like we are children?
yes, and then what the hurtful part is after you broke up everything, the amount of meat that's actually there.
Brother,
What are we doing?
Brother, I feel like 5 pound of crab. is half pound of meat.
It is. It is. It's like,
5 pound of crab, a quarter pound of meat.
it's like mostly seasoning. It's just salt, you know. I just salt and butter we really like, you know.
People put butter in a crab?
Sometimes the crab boils up here, yeah man. It's butter and seasoning.
You like the seafood boil thing? You ever do it before?
Yeah. So I think the seafood boil is partially a scam. Partially. Here's why. I think if I'm having a seafood boil, I think it should be only seafood.
What them putting it outside of that?
Because why am I getting egg? Why am I getting potato? Why am I getting sausage?
All right. Then.
Like, where sausage come from in a seafood boil? When did you have sausage for?
You have any Ghanaian friend?
Yes.
Let me tell you something. Them man, they eat egg like vegetable, you know. All right, it's like how no, I swear to God, you see, when a Ghanaian man say, eat a plate of food.
3 egg at minimum.
To the side.
Yeah. Them, okay. So
4 or 5 egg to the side.
Ghanaians, I don't know if, because I've seen Nigerians do this too. I feel like their relationship with egg is kind of like how
we treat rice.
Rice, but also kind of like how we treat pear. You know what I mean? It's like, you have it like, if you have egg already, can say man boil egg and just have egg put down. Like them buy a dozen egg.
And that them do.
And just boil it and put it down
It's
for
crazy
whenever
to
them
me.
ready. It's like, okay, may I make some food and then let's drop 3 egg on the side, just in, you know, just in case, just for a little extra, whatever.
That's brother. The man them a razzle dazzle. The man them a put like the man them a put egg for little razzle dazzle.
Yeah,
Like
man, little.
it's
Don't
like Salt Bay.
Yeah, man.
I say man them just drop all 5 egg.
Don't forget the egg, you know what I mean?
On the
Don't forget
side.
egg. I've seen some videos where they have to be trolling. Like, why you eat literally a dozen egg and rice? It's just rice and a dozen egg.
Brother, egg and rice is technically a chicken and
Chicken
rice.
and rice. Technically.
Technically, they might eat chicken and rice.
Yes, that is true. But a dozen egg though? Just eat chicken and done. Like,
That's
what
crazy.
is...
That's why I can't get vegetarians. When you say you're vegetarian and then eat egg,
Because them not view it as meat.
well, yeah, said to me because I want chicken that, you know,
Yeah.
that's a chicken.
Yeah, true. But them not find it as... I think it's just a weird line where we're just like,
Listen to me.
come on, guys.
Hey, we'll move the goalposts after, you know.
Very often. It's like, come on, guys. Hey, I remember over the lockdown, you know, there was a thing going crazy on social media because there was a lot of vegans that just found out that like anchovies are in Caesar salad. So it's like, it's not vegan. And a lot of them have been ordering Caesar salads forever, not knowing that fish is in Caesar salad.
What name anchovy?
Anchovy is like the little small, it's like a little small fish. It's kind of like sardine, but like smaller. It's a very fishy fish. Like people order it on like pizza and everything or something.
Oh, me never ate other Caesar salad and see that.
You're not gonna see it because it's crushed into the sauce.
Oh, it's in the sauce?
Yeah, it's a part of the dressing.
Me no
So
normally
Caesar
get
dressing is not vegan.
Oh.
Most dressing isn't. A lot of dressing has like egg and milk and, you know, so you gotta get a vegan version of that.
Yo, me not lie, people make it too hard for eat, yeah, man.
Bro, honestly, I think, you know, we have our moral standings as to why we might not want to eat meat and whatever, but there's no, there's not a lot of people that's like, you have a medical reason for why you're vegan. You just want to feel like you're better than people.
Brother, me give you a joke. Dog, I was watching this like ad on Facebook with like a, it'll show how them prepare pig. And me
Like
eat
in the farm and them stuff.
yeah, me not eat pig, but basically there is 2 ways of preparing pork.
Yeah.
So you have the pork where the pork where most people eat, it normally take 3 to 4 months to grow and then them get rid of it and fix it up. And then there is another pork will take like a year, which is like pure pork, with them like wild hog.
Mm.
And them show like the difference with how a wild hog fat look versus like
The farm.
the one them were mass produced.
Mm-hmm.
Completely different.
Mm.
Like the wild hog fat, it look like if me cook it to that taste better.
It probably would, but I think the issue.
I think it's like a delicacy. It costs more.
Yeah, I'm sure it would. Because it's like farm raised versus wild caught. Like wild caught pig. I mean,
But me see pig a run up on you never see a wild hog yet.
yeah.
Them they are foreign, you know.
So here's the thing though. It's like I think the issue with it is because you can't monitor the diet of the animal, so there's no
So them one of them that monitor it like show weight eat and them look at it.
Okay. 'Cause that's the issue with a lot of like wild caught stuff where it's like you don't know the nutrients might vary because you don't know what this one eating versus what the farm raised one was eating. You know the farm raised one was eating foolishness, but you don't know what the wild one was eating.
Probably people.
If
If y'all don't know, probably people.
you know, I mean, I think the only reason we don't actually eat more pork as a society is probably because we just don't get as much stuff out of it.
But you know, but it show like the worst meat is bacon, you know. Them say like bacon clog up your arteries.
Yeah, it's a lot of fat and
Yeah, them say bacon out of every meat for eat. The worst meat of bacon.
I mean, you also rightfully we don't normally eat a lot of bacon. I mean, America must say bacon go crazy.
Brother, me never think bacon like in a Jamaica. Me even brother, me can't even remember when like me would have just see bacon so like
No,
that
bacon
never really
just dip on things or we don't.
Yeah.
No.
bacon never really. If me I think about it, KFC now put bacon with them chicken.
I feel like bacon was like an uptown thing still, you know.
Yeah, for rich.
Like, you know, 'cause the only bacon them when me see it was like what I want is like Canadian loin or whatever it name. It's like a fatty. The bacon, it don't look like how American bacon look. It have like a weird kind of shape to it.
Me eat turkey bacon.
I like turkey bacon. I like beef bacon the best though.
I never tried that one day.
Beef bacon is very bacony. It's very bacony. If you like bacon and you want something that actually tastes like bacon, beef bacon is the way. Turkey bacon just tastes like dry turkey.
But bite a burger already still and realize it have bacon night. Like pork.
Yeah.
We gone too far in night, brother.
I mean,
Let's finish it. Me say, yo. Nah, gonna kill me. Frig it.
Hey.
Moving on.
I used to eat pork, so I'm not against anybody.
You used to actually eat pork?
Yeah.
You see? Me never used to eat pork.
Yeah.
Well, me still not eat pork, but me never grew up in a house where pork a cook.
Yeah. So that's why even when I have my locks, I've never been like, yeah man, bun you out, Kaya. I've never been that guy because I'm like, I don't know. It's kind of good sometimes. You know what I mean? It's
So-
I mean, don't say it tastes good.
So if you have your locks for your head and pork there yard and you're hungry, you gonna eat it.
I mean, I wouldn't buy pork.
But me I say if cook pork there yard,
No, at the time. No, not really. No. I remember
cause me hungry a shrimp there in my yard, me I eat it, you know.
aren't you allergic to shrimp?
Yeah, but me I eat it. It's in my house.
I mean, if it's there and there's nothing else there, maybe.
Me I eat it. My girl buy one time my girl have some lobster mac and cheese, brother. Brother, I'm terribly allergic. I can't eat shellfish. And she gone. I'm there at the yard. I'm just coming from ball game. Like
Hungry,
11:30. I'm hungry. I walk me and me I look everywhere in the place, brother. I'm looking at the freezer. I see the lobster mac and cheese. Immediately, me I say, no, so maybe I'm not allergic to this though.
I know shrimp this.
These are different.
Yeah, cause the shell off, you know what I mean? So
Brother?
probably
But about 5 scoop, about 5 spoon a night. Me I say, oh God, this not gonna work.
You need to walk with that
Benadryl.
EpiPen or something at the end of the year.
You have to run go feed Benadryl.
Jaja. Oh no, but that wicked. Thankfully, I don't know about any allergies that I might have still.
You know, you might grow into allergies.
So
those are the ones.
That the thought of that I think is pretty terrifying. I don't like the idea of that I could grow into an allergy of something that I like.
You might grow into bro, milk. That has stressed me out right now. Milk. I realize like
You can't manage it like one time.
Can't manage milk again. But here the camp, so now I learn stuff. So I learn, but upon a strict regimen now. No carbs daytime.
Mm-hmm.
So like after like 4 o'clock,
Lock off with carbs.
no carbs.
Okay.
But me eat like rice. Me can eat rice and empty there. As long as I'm in the daytime. Because your body take longer to break it down.
Yes.
So what I learn is that if you lose certain type of weight or if you maintain a certain type of weight, you just have to keep on and count your calories them.
Yes.
You know, stay at 2,500. So if you go eat, make your heaviest meal be like early in the day. So your body can work harder to break down the carbs.
That's why I've heard that you should start with a heavy breakfast if you go eat crazy.
Yeah, daytime.
Because that's when you need your most energy. Anyway, you know, you just get your day started and whatever. But it's like, does, well, I mean, carbs, I know carbs take longer to get out of your system, but protein take longer to digest, right?
But thing is, protein help with muscle building. Protein not really gain fat. You're not gonna really get fat off of protein.
Okay.
So that's why, like, me eat 2 chicken breasts and a pear before me go in bed. Only thing you have to worry about is just the smell.
Yeah, protein digesting is kind of crazy.
People just believe me. I'm telling you, dog, there's ways, when I find out, there's ways to eating healthy and still being like, still eating what you want to eat.
Oh, absolutely.
So like, no rice, substitute the rice evening now, substitute rice with sweet potato. Boil 1 sweet potato, cut that in half.
Yeah.
Sweet potato, chicken breast, and a pear. Amazing.
Bro, I have been looking into like, you ever see how the English people do them potatoes, like the jacket potato? It's like a loaded potato.
Yeah.
Bro, I've been destroying those. Oh my God.
And them so filling.
Super filling. You get the fiber and everything too. It's healthier too because it's, you know, it's a potato.
That's a different
You know.
It's like even shrimp, even not shrimp, even like fries.
Yeah.
You know, if we get the fry cutter
And make our own fries.
and just put the potato and just put it in the air fryer, it way more healthier.
Yeah, absolutely. Because like,
And the oil, you know.
so a lot of those restaurants fry their fries in like beef fat. So you might as well just be getting, the cholesterol is going to be crazy from like restaurant fries because it's just dipped in beef fat and just the same fat where them get off of the burger them ends up frying your fries. I remember somebody tell me like, yeah, McDonald's fries no vegan, and I was like, what is this fries? What do you mean them no vegan? Just put the potato no vegan. They're like, no, it's beef fat for that. I was like, really?
But if you try to know too much, you will mad, you know.
Oh, absolutely.
You will mad.
Absolutely.
But just try to know like enough to balance certain things. Because right now, me no want gain no weight. Me no want lose none either.
How much at now?
Right now, me there at 185.
Okay. That's
Yeah, me did there.
a good balance right
When me start this, me did there at 202. Was the heaviest me ever weigh.
Okay.
On a scale.
202? Okay. So you lost like what? That's what, 17?
202, me dropped down to 180. And then me did say, all right, then me want to put on back like 5 pound.
Okay. Muscle wise?
Yeah. So now what me do is, when I try to say me eat too much and I feel like me go over the calorie for the day, me go walk. I'm gonna try walk off like 400 or 500 calories.
That's like a super. That's what I've been doing. The walks have been so crazy.
If you have a treadmill, just incline that and walk all day, brother. You lose so much weight.
I mean, I'm not a big treadmill fan for some reason. I prefer walking outside.
Yeah, but it's enough. But you say you have a goal.
Yeah, and you just need to forget the steps
If you
in.
walk 2 miles a day by a treadmill, if 2 miles for me is like 500 calories, 2 miles for you are gonna be like 1,000. You know?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Cause you burn more calories than me,
bro. So is a girl missy a run. Like I'm following her story one day, and she went for a 7 mile. No, it was like a 4 mile run, right?
it's a long run.
A long run,
Very, very long.
right? When she showed her tracking thing, and it said that she burned like 250 calories.
She's lying.
No, she wasn't. That's what was so crazy about it. I was like, because she's very slim. She's like 120, 125.
She's maga.
She's maga, right? So I was like, how she burned two? Cause me walk for 1 mile. If I walk for 1 mile, I'm gonna have 300, 400 calories burned. How are you running for 4 miles and getting 250?
It can't just be a body, you know.
That's when I realized at a certain weight, you become less fuel efficient. I'm like a Jeep. I'm like, I am not fuel efficient. That's crazy.
Yeah, me is like a Toyota.
Yeah, you're like a Prius.
Yeah, me have to do way more for burn.
Bro, it's so crazy to me. I was like, wow, I didn't. So my mile different from her mile?
Yeah, cause you are like what now? 210?
250.
You're 200. I don't see that enough.
Yeah, 250.
When was the last time you checked that?
Yesterday.
But you know you lose one heap of weight.
Yeah, so the heaviest I was 283.
283. Yeah, 250. I think you can go down more. I think.
Yeah, I want to get to like
start like a journey.
I want to get to like 215.
You'd have to start the muscle. You'd have to start
like more weights and
You'd have
stuff.
to do whole heap of like weightlifting.
I think I'd have to do like weights and like a stricter like fasting situation.
You know, say it's not fat, brother. It's just diet, you know.
Yeah, true.
Diet. It's just when you realize, like, first thing you get out, brother, once you stop eat certain things late night.
Yeah. That is.
Or you just find something for say you eat fuckery. Just go play some ball or run up and down and I know say, all right, you cancel that out for the day.
Yeah, it's like, all right. So I used to do it. I've stopped doing that now. Because it's like I feel like that's just a cycle. You know, where it's like
where once the ball stop and you continue, you're done.
It's like, all right, so if I feel for ice cream today, so now I have to go walk off the ice cream there. But then if I just do the walk, I wouldn't have to work off the ice cream.
True.
I'd just be walking, you know.
True.
But
it depends on what the goal. If you decide for cut, you have to cut back on food.
Yeah, in general. Just you know, I realize a lot of people don't realize that because I'll see people go like, oh, this food isn't big back, it's pretty healthy. It's like, yeah, but not if you eat like 4 of them.
Not even that. All right, when you look on a tablespoon of peanut butter is 180 calories. You know?
Isn't that crazy?
So you might think you just have to take a little snack.
Bro.
3 Oreo. 200 calories. 3 Oreo. Brother, 3 Oreo. That mean I eat at least 10, 15 Oreo.
At least. With a glass of milk. And the glass of milk, oh God.
So now me gone. So brother, all right. Remember when we go crazy with the lava cake them?
Yes.
One lava cake on the box, you know, was 600 calories, you know. I eat 4 of them right just, you know.
Yeah, you were like, oh yeah, man, I eat nothing for till tomorrow night.
Yeah,
Like,
because it's not the problem with enough we go through, brother. Like, eat a potato. I'll see how you feel.
try eat 2 potatoes and see what happens.
All right, and not even that. Try eat 2 potatoes and see how you feel, but eat a whole bag of potato chips.
Oh Lord. Oh gosh. It's so. All right. Why is it that a whole thing seems like, how do I word it? For example, I think if you, I couldn't eat 3 just like tortillas, just 3 just random tortillas. But a bag of chips though sound crazy.
At all. And it disappear.
It will disappear immediately.
And
but
we have dip with it too.
Different kinds too. I was like, but 3 tortillas sound like insanity. Like, why would you eat 3 tortillas?
Until I say, what day I'm go crazy and eat a whole tin of cheese.
Wow.
With nothing.
Just tasty cheese. Just a thing of tasty cheese.
With nothing.
I've been doing cheese, and so I usually eat cheese and tomato.
You're disgusting.
Why was that weird?
I've never heard of that.
Yeah, that's what the Italians do all the time. That's what pizza is. It's cheese and tomato. Tomato sauce, cheese, cook it up. Hot.
That shit burned up the whole of my mouth a while ago. We can't recover from the one that burned
Did you
me.
hate that?
Oh Lord, somebody I rejoice right now because somebody
I bet I
tired
liquid than
sipping.
food still, car. You ever eat hot food where get stuck?
Just juggle it.
Yeah, but you ever like cut and swallow hot food and it's like, it's hot right here.
It's hot and go down.
Brother. It's like, what?
You want water right now?
Immediately, like, please, just quell it. Please quell it.
Oh God.
Where's that shirt? Where's that white shirt from?
Uniqlo.
You're a Uniqlo guy?
That's me right now.
I've been hearing Uniqlo got the best like basics. I've been
Guys,
needing to check out the basics.
Guys, this is what we're doing now. You see, for this summer, if you watch the Air podcast, we're men. We're dressing like men.
Facts.
This summer. We're not going for no graphic t-shirts. No, we're wearing polo type shirts. We're wearing normal earth colors, button downs. We're dressing like men this summer. So we need to switch it up. What we're going for right now, we're going for Uniqlo. We're going to shop at Uniqlo. We're going to go to H&M. We're going to go in Zara, Banana Republic.
Yep.
Tommy
Bahamas.
Bahama. If I catch you in Psycho Bunny, I'm stoning you.
I mean, Psycho Bunny isn't that terrible.
Them have
polos. Them have like normal polos too.
You know, to me, one of the biggest, like, clothes is the biggest scam, you know.
Clothes is a huge scam.
Brother, me there in all see instead of there, brother, and like a button up and see it say $199 on it. You want to see me, I look for you $199.
Like what on it is?
Me, I look for you $199. I say, yo, all right. Maybe something there on the inseam.
Where make it. Bro, I started to realize, you know who I was following that really highlighted the scam to me? R.I.P. Virgil Abloh. Bro, when Virgil did it was like a varsity jacket that he was doing. But it was like literally Champion hoodies that he just printed his thing on, and he said it. And his whole thing was like, yo, if you want to like steal this vibe, you absolutely can.
Because that's what I did.
You know, I was like, wow, it's really that much of a chop, huh? It's like, yeah, I bet you print your thing and wear your thing. It's going to be a one of one. It's more exclusive than anything I'm selling. I bet you wear your clothes.
Yeah, I just think me just don't want to look like everybody now, yeah, man.
I think I either don't want to look like everybody or I want to look like everybody. it's like in the sense of, all right.
I don't want to look odd out.
I don't want to look like the odd one out. But maybe it depends on like, okay.
The vibe.
Depends on the vibe. Like if everybody is wearing a polo shirt, do you want to also wear a polo shirt? Maybe. Do you want to be the t-shirt guy? I just don't want to be graphic tee guy.
Yeah, I think I'm done with that.
Yeah, same. It's like.
You think a graphic team are done with?
What?
Tight pants. My brother.
Over it.
I finally carry my clothes and got goodwill.
Yeah?
Whole heap of clothes I carry got goodwill.
I'm
not done yet.
I'm trying to get over the cargo pants era.
Nah, dash them way now. Them will come back.
I used to be a very cargo pants. What I got rid of is my cargo joggers. I used to have cargo joggers, which I was like, okay, pick a,
You have to pick a struggle still.
pick a lane. Like, do I want all the pockets and for it to like
No.
hug my ankle? No, not necessarily.
You know what? Today what? Today Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
Bro. Are you seeing the reviews from the Michael Jackson movie?
No, not yet.
Brother?
Is it terrible?
Crooks.
Is it terrible? Come on, watch it.
All me know, dog. Just respect to the Marley family. You know, dog.
Yeah.
The Michael Jackson movie is rated 26% on Rotten Tomatoes.
What?
26%. Bro, you know how bad something have to be if you got 20. Think about it. The man have a whole premiere, have everybody there. Every celebrity there and not one comment. Yo, we went there, this was good.
Oh my God. Okay. I feel like I need to read some of these reviews on here now.
Read some of the reviews because it's going to be out this week.
Michael.
It's going to be out Friday.
All right. Yo, them have a big, the billboards look, I like the billboards.
I mean, isn't it crazy how we just don't care about Ananda?
What is this? This is a
Silver alert has been
So
activated.
it's an old person.
Missing person.
Yes.
So just like that, we just put on back a phone now? All right then.
I mean, I think they expect us to like run out and find the person. Sometimes whenever I see this, like, should we just like, yo, cut! And just run outside. Michael, are you Michael?
But remember said, go off into the fire.
True.
Have people like evacuate.
This is very true. I mean, for something that concerns you, I think people, if it don't concern them, if it's somebody missing, okay, it's not. I get it's getting better. It's 35 on thing there now.
How much?
On Rotten Tomatoes, 35.
You move from 26 to 35?
Yes. All right. Here's some of the reviews. Even as an exercise in jukebox fan service, Michael is a dud. Wow. Hold on. Go back. Michael occasionally dazzles. The bad tour finale is a genuine showstopper, but it's frustratingly incomplete. A film made for devoted fans and unquestioning apologists. The Jackson 5 and Michael Jackson tracks from their album, TV, and concert performances are the only thing authentic about this film. And unfortunately, the very talented Jafar, Jafar? How do you pronounce that? Is it Jafar? Channeling his Uncle Michael's flair, dance moves, and all. Full of King of Pop's music and dance moves, Michael is a celebratory spectacle that suggests a Vegas tribute show. It's not a definitive Jackson biopic, and reshoots suggest it's not the picture filmmaker Antoine Fuqua set out to make either. 2 out of 5. More often than not, it is when Jackson is away from the spotlight that the movie regresses into a tragicomic cartoon. Dang, they're just cooking this show, huh? This Michael is flat and barely human. Who's bad? Who's bad? Arguably everyone involved in this film. Wow, dog. Wow. Oh my God.
Even me catch with that. Even
Who's
me catch with
bad?
that.
Everybody that did this movie is bad. This movie is for the Glazers. Pure joy for them, mainly for its spectacular recreations of Jackson's iconic performances. For the cynics among us, it was infuriating and dishonest, a wasted opportunity. 1 out of 5. There's no doubt Michael will explode at the box office. Of course, it's a license to print money. But this nauseating, deeply uncomfortable film feels like it's creating a new narrative on Jackson's life. Wow, they're roasting this.
But you are in their defense, bro. Telling the story of these great people never work out the way I hope. Because it was the same backlash the Marleys get. Because, Jamaican, Michael Jackson, Jamaican, Bob Marley, Jamaican. So we did a look for certain things and never see it.
Yeah.
So I feel like it's just the same thing that happened to the Bob Marley, the Michael Jackson movie. So it might be a good movie.
It might be. I mean, honestly, I actually don't expect it to be a great movie.
Brother, but Bob Marley movie sell good and people love it and
true.
I just people were like say, oh, me they want to see this more, me they want to see this more. I think that is just completely natural.
So I think the issue with movies like that about those great people is like it's so hard to tell somebody's entire life story in like less than 3 hours. You know what I mean? I think it's a situation where if you want to do a film about somebody, pick a story and tell that story there. I kind of think that's what the Bob Marley movie suffered from too. It started as a political movie that ended up into a love story that ended up into like a fantastical thing. Yeah, it just ended up somewhere, right? It's like, all right, the government is against Bob, and then it's the love story about Bob.
That's what I said. I think the story itself so big for them people.
Yeah, you can't tell 35 years, you know what I mean, of somebody's life.
Here's what I realize. I'm going to just cut it onto this. Film, a musician, their movies generally have a lot of things left out. And it's just not as exciting and as, riveting or captivating as all right, for instance, what character in Jamaica right now, or what Jamaican character do you think would have a box office seller right now if we should make a biopic about them or a movie? Any character, any character.
Any character.
Any Jamaican character. Because say somebody and it's going to blow your mind.
I think a Bounty Killer biopic would go crazy.
No. If Jamaica want do box office numbers, a biopic pan Christopher Doddo's Coke.
Oh, I mean, yeah.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Outside of music, we're talking about.
Yeah, true.
Brother, a biopic pan
it don't, but
Doddo's.
So
wow.
So here's the thing. I agree with you, but I also feel like I don't think biopics.
No, I think movie. Like, see like how there's a NARCOS with episodes?
Yeah.
I think the story of the Shower Posse.
Yeah, would be fantastic.
Yeah, so when I said Doddo's, I mean, if Jamaica...
Like they made a movie based on...
It's like how there is NARCOS Mexico. If we have a NARCOS Shower Posse...
That would go crazy still. Nah lie.
A NARCOS Shower Posse...
That would go crazy.
You know how much bad man you have to include in that? Jamaica?
There was a book I read. I wish I could remember the name of this book. There was a book that I read that was based on Shower Posse. It was like a novel, and it was inspired by the Shower Posse. Such a fantastic book. And I was like, this should be made into a movie.
Brother. Well, Shower Posse, you have to start from... Let me see. Because they would have to include Siaga. That's a Siaga basically Bill Tivoli, Claude Massop, Bucky Marshall, after Bucky Marshall come from the jungle side. Claudia Massop dead in I think Claudia Massop dead like what 84? No, Claudia Massop dead like 78 or 79. But after Claudia Massop dead, Jim Brown run Jamaica.
Yeah.
Remember I know. From where I hear with Jim Brown, that Dodo's father. Jim Brown, there was like a big shooting in a Rima. Where like them did like a house with like 6 or 7 people to get murdered in the house. Where apparently, allegedly, them say like Jim Brown do it. And then when him do it, apparently the dog walk got the airport. Not walk got the airport, but walk in at the airport and go up on a flight and just go for it.
Just left.
And when him go foreign, when him go Miami, them go one house. But this is what me I watch like a video.
Yeah.
Cause me don't know. Me never did it. Me never even born it.
Yeah.
But this is the tales of him badness. So apparently Jim Brown go Miami and the shower pass them murder like 5 people in our house. One pregnant woman we have all baby. One pregnant woman with baby in a bonnet. And
Crazy.
then the shower posse splinter off. You have shower posse at Philly. You have shower posse Toronto. You have shower posse at New York. Shower posse at LA. And then there was a raid where they lock up like 200 out of them. And then remember now you have Jim Brown. I have Vivian Blake.
Yes.
Vivian Blake run foreign. Jim Brown run Jamaica. Jim Brown actually get deported from America. Never the America for long.
So would you say that Shatters is kind of inspired by that story in a way?
No, not really, because the Shatters, the power of Jim Brown
It wasn't like explained in there.
Shatters was its only thing, because I remember Jim Brown come to Jamaica and I run Jamaica.
So do you think it would be better to make something that is like a biopic, like
a Jim Brown?
Yeah, like closer to telling like the real story, or do you think it would be better to be like, fantasized in a way?
I think it would have been a sick 10 like there's
like a series.
Like 10 episodes. And it could have even splinter off into Dodo's side of the episode, because remember Jim Brown.
So like a BMF type show.
Yeah, because Jim Brown have Pitney. Jim Brown have a son, Jati.
Yeah.
Which is Dodo's older brother.
Yeah.
And Jati did run the place while Jim Brown did, and I think Jati did end up get shot and killed. And a beer man dead over that. And when them actually lock up Jim Brown, there's actually footage of Jim Brown like the police them afraid for lock him up. Like a man a walk past, imagine you get arrested, and you handcuff on the dog just a walk. Like the dog I say, yo, remember me, no? Like me know the whole on me, I mark the whole on the face.
It's like, oh damn, hopefully nothing reach me after that.
And the day the dog forget extradited, himself catch a fire.
Allegedly. Well, not allegedly, but
allegedly. No, it could have been 2 things.
Yeah.
It could have
how does your cell catch fire?
All right. Remember the man them smoke cigarette in a jail, you know. And a Jim Brown that him can do. So himself can allegedly catch a fire. But it could be 2 things. Because what if them tell him say, light the cell fire, I will help you escape and will make you, run away. All right. But what if when him light the cell for them help him escape, don't help
like,
him.
oh yeah, just keep you in there.
Because all do him did burn up, him never dead in the cell.
Because I feel like any other prison, I feel like any other prison, if there was a fire in there, like if you lit a fire anywhere else, they would immediately like be on that.
Exactly.
So, the fact that you're in a fire long enough for
exactly. And remember, this whole thing is tied. Because remember, when you watch, there's a Netflix show that called I Shot the Sheriff.
Yes.
Where them did try like insinuate, say, Jim Brown was one of the man them that did go for Bob Marley.
Yes.
And Bob Marley see him and say him know him and never call and then make it go on. I mean, apparently, them did use that as that was Jim Brown's way to get promotion.
Yes.
But people remember, this is all public information here.
Yes.
This is not like, yo,
If Netflix have it, why?
it's how we see on Netflix and YouTube. But it's such an interesting story.
Yeah.
Because then, remember, them could have tell a story there from when Jim Brown had just like one like a run around for Siaga to when him start run the place.
Yeah.
You know, first 2 episodes can't have Claudia Mass up in night and Claudia Mass up dead. By the 3rd episode, Jim Brown around the thing.
True.
Jim Brown meet Vivian Blake. Them start sell weed and thing with the Medellin cartel because of that, you know. Be reminded it sound weird, you know, but Jim Brown them did that work with
the cartel.
Escobar them, you know that. So that's why I say hey Netflix, call me and give me some money.
Yeah,
because Jim Brown did that work with Escobar them. So basically, tell me say Jamaica did a wrap up deep in that.
Yeah. I mean, so this is what I say is a thing where I feel like with these biopics, we just have to pick a story.
Can't be a biopic.
That's why I feel like it can't be a biopic.
This have to be a 10 episode.
Yeah, I feel. But, you know, even some of them is like, I think we're looking for something closer to like a BMF type show.
Probably
or like a Narcos.
I think you know watch Narcos because you see how Narcos
have you seen BMF?
Yeah. But BMF not really have the gangs them as much. There's BMF are the big gang.
No, but when I say something like BMF, it's just because BMF is kind of biopic-ish, but it does follow them. It follow them specifically through for them. You know, it follows the BMF angle and not necessarily the whole Narcos angle.
Here why I said that the Narcos angle would have been better. Because during this period of time, there is a lot of men that were doing things on the same level as a Dodos.
True.
Remember, during this time, Jungle have them done.
Yeah.
Remember, I know, there is Shower Posse, and then you have Shower and Spanglers, you know. Spanglers is a whole nother world where them are the same thing, you know.
Yeah.
So, and that I just crossed the road.
True. Which is kind of crazy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, and then most of the done them what we hear about from them time there actually did a live, a run for them own pieces of the world. So, I think it would be a sick thing, because when you watch the documentary, them and them talk about, all right, the speedboat, them we used to come across and how the man them used to smuggle cocaine, have Oman Solar, the pallet them in a condom and suitcase, jug mule, how man used to have fake documents and go foreign.
True.
I think that would have sick, because them could have used that. The whole first series, the whole first one, all when him a burn up in the cell, that could have literally be the first season. Second season pick up with Dodos.
That would have sick still enough.
Second season pick up with Dodos.
That would have sick.
Because during Dodos' reign, when the order Tivalis change up and them start calling the president.
Yeah.
And I think Vivian Blake did actually escape for a couple of years before them extradite him. So like Vivian Blake was on the run for like 10 years, you know.
Wow.
When Jim Brown did, Vivian Blake, they rode, you know.
Just low key.
Vivian Blake never get catch till like 99 or 2000.
Oh, wow.
And him cooperate and get 9 years. And when him get 9 years, him drop a yard and him dead the following year.
I remember seeing something saying that the only reason the Jamaican gangsters didn't get further was because there's not, like, them never have the level of structured loyalty like the mafia have.
Not loyalty. It in one documentary. The man say, listen to me. The Jamaican gang, they consist of the biggest set of informers them ever.
So, everybody talks.
So when you hear them talk about man, no. When the money they are foreign,
them talk.
You know what? Brother, a 215 man from Shower Posse get locked up in a one day. Them man them was informing. So nobody feel like say, yo, loyalty ain't a badness. Don't do no badness at all. Cause nigga, I'm gonna tell.
I mean, so them say like, all right, cause the mafia did have a structured.
Omerta where them don't talk.
Yeah, it's like, you know, that is the rule, you know? But it's like, they're like, yo, if the Jamaicans had like a quarter of that.
It would have been so hard. But no.
No, every man talk. Man, them say every man talk.
Them a call them name. But it would have so sick. Brother, this could have really be a series because so much of America would have involved in it.
Yeah.
Because, me mind a dog, the man them never used to employ American, you know. When Jamaican man come, them would have just go get the man them from garden or wherever, have the man them on the street or sell the drugs, you know.
Yeah.
With fake docs and them thing there, you know. I saw the man them used to do it, you know.
That would have been a bad show.
That would have been a, brother.
That'd be a bad show. That'd be a bad show.
Brother, Shower Posse as a series would have got crazy. Everybody that watch that.
We need to get on that. We need to
Shower Posse as a series, dog.
Yeah.
Oh my lord. The amount of bad man you could have put in a that.
Do you think it's a thing where we would have to change names? Or just tell all the...
Probably I have to change name.
Yeah.
Because you have to reach out to all them man in your family.
So I think that is the thing with, especially like... that's why I feel like the Bob thing is so delicate and the Michael thing is so delicate. Because like, if you were to tell a story about Michael, but it's not Michael, you could tell the actual story. You know what I mean? You could pick a story and tell it.
It's still cheaper for do a NARCOS though.
It's still cheaper to do a NARCOS.
Brother, me mind a dog. Make we not think small, you know. This same thing what we are talking about, you know. During all of this, you know.
Mm-hmm.
We have bad man involved them time, yeah?
Yeah.
Dance a keep.
Yeah.
We have
government involved.
Remember, we have them time, yeah, Bogla, Willie Haggart, and remember that was another set of bad man over here, so, you know.
Yeah.
Willie Haggart, Black Roses crew and
true.
Brother,
very true.
It would have been such a good friggin' series.
Very true. Very true.
Me don't need a role tonight though. Me that have to be something.
Yeah.
Me don't know who me that be. Me that have to be something. Me that have to be something. Me that probably be the detective. Me that be the police.
Be like, all right, so what's going on here? Trying to find out. You need a like a Narcos type show or like a Top Boy.
Brother, it would go crazy. Because then now we could have recreate the 90s.
Yeah.
With the beginning and the Bounty War and brother, remember dog. After me left from Jamaica and go foreign tour. 92 with Bujo and
Capitan
and see, Jim Brown dead 92. So that probably when like General what that man name? Who did I run dancehall before 92? Shabba?
92, I would say probably Shabba and Yellow Man them.
Shabba, Yellow Man, General you have another one, man. You have another one, I don't remember his name.
Like
Admiral Bailey and them man there.
Yeah.
But right after, remember, you know, so imagine Jim Brown dead and then bam, it start. Remember, you know, Dodos, Arden, young youth, private school.
Yeah.
Try stay out, but him having bigger brother than him have Jati. Him have live up. Well, Jati drop out.
Yeah.
So him have a mother brother live up. And him a grow nice and all of a sudden, them say, yo, no say you are gonna run the thing.
It's
and then him just take over from there.
You just have to be involved now. So it would be kind of like a
money laundering. We're talking about
that's like a Godfather type.
Exactly.
Type deal.
Remember, you know, Dodos get all contract for build bus park at downtown. Dodos keep jamboree. I give out school uniform to Pitney, and then bam, Dodos make Cartel and Movado perform together. People forget that, you know.
True.
Remember that there was a jamboree where Dodos make Cartel and Movado come together, you know.
Yeah. I mean, Passa was, you know, Passa was running. People, I love that there's like a thing where everybody was like, oh man, this was the safest street dance.
And Passa was in the ghetto.
Yeah. It was in Tivoli. In the literal street.
Passa was every Sunday, I think.
No man. Passa was Thursday. No. Was it Sunday?
Was Passa Passa on a Sunday? Comments.
Bembe was Thursday.
Comments. When was Passa Passa?
Passa was what day? Oh my God, I feel so terrible. I want to say Passa was a Sunday.
I feel like it was a Sunday.
Cause I know I'm knowing Bembe Thursdays.
Monday, Tuesday,
Passa.
Wednesday, Bembe.
Passa, the street dance. Come on. What day was it on? Come on.
Like it was on a...
What day was Passa?
Like a Sunday.
Passa was Wednesdays,
That's
right?
crazy.
Passa
work in the morning.
Passa Wednesdays, right. And then Bembe Thursday. Yes.
Uptown Monday.
Uptown
Bossy
Monday.
Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
Passa
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Yes.
Bembe Thursday.
Bembe
Yeah.
Thursday.
Yes.
Chug it. Where was Chug it was what?
Was Chug it a weekly thing?
I feel like Chug it become a buy all you can for only $1,000.
Yeah.
That was definitely a weekly thing.
Chug it was a
Chug it used to be a Portmore though.
Yeah. They have party like My Scheme and them kind of party there.
All cartel keep street vibes.
Street vibes. Chug it was what day?
Saying that to say, people.
That would be a mad show.
Saying that to say, I think Jamaica, and guess what? It's going to be a show where I give acknowledgement to the small man. Also, the small man, as in, we as Jamaicans, I'm not going to say we glorify badness, but as a youth, at them people that we see and look up to.
Yeah.
I'm not going to go on like me never used to look up to Dodos.
Yeah, it's like
no.
You want that level, everybody wanted that level of respect and power.
Yeah. From me a little pitney, me know a bad man, me want to know a bad man story. We interested in a that.
Yeah.
So I think for tell that story to the people them, would I just for include, just for have just West Kingston, Tivoli, Jungle, South, Tivoli, Jungle, South, Fletcher's Land. It would have be Spanish Town.
I mean, I think
Klansman, one other.
I think there's also something like fascinating and needed to like tell our story from. Like I don't.
We need for hurry up and rich because me I do all of them things.
Yeah, I don't want nobody else tell full story from, and I feel like them have to try water it down a certain way or
exactly.
You know what I mean? It's like I think we need to tell our stories, and we have so many amazing stories of things that happen.
I see true. Me as a little youth that me grew up and seen for them man like.
Yeah.
So me look upon them and them like superhero. You know? Sorry. Listen to me. I'm sorry. Okay. I grew up seeing these niggas. Somebody.
I was like, that's the man right there.
Some of them, brother. I remember one time I play a match. Arborview versus Tivoli. And the match I play Siaga.
Yeah.
Siaga Sports Complex down at Garden. And Dodos go. Brother. Brother, you don't think of God.
Bro.
You don't think of God did it.
Bro, my maths teacher used to teach Dodos.
Exactly.
Bro, he had stories about Dodos where it's like the man talk about him like a
God.
Brother.
Let me tell you, brother. You will never see the level of glazing. You think, the glaze where Jamaican people glaze bad man. Me included in night.
Bro, the man tell a story about how Dodos in a class attack and him tell him to sit down. And one of the students them draw to him like, sir.
No way I do now.
You know who is in Pops, right?
Like, yeah, you know.
You know, say Jim Brown son that, right?
You know, say. So now you have to.
Whenever you finish,
whenever you're done,
yeah, man,
just
take a seat whenever you finish so that I can start the class, please. Like, oh, there, that changed quickly.
Brother, the man them used to have my brethren used to live at Tivoli and we used to go to high school together. And the man them used to play a 6-a-side competition. Dodos used to keep a competition in Tivoli.
Yeah.
And it used to be It's a football competition.
Yeah.
And Tivoli have different places. So you have like Top 10, Java, Rasta City, Lizard Town, Coates, all heap of different community.
Yeah.
And it's like Dodos have a side. Brother, nobody no tackle him. And brother, me at 13. No man not tackle him, brother. When him get the ball, football just stop. Everybody just spectate. Yeah, man, Prezi, just do your
But
thing.
they think, man.
Mad. Brother, it used to be, brother, taking the 30 bus and walking to Tivoli just for like just walking to Tivoli in like 2009 as a youth. When me jump off a 30 bus. Or me used to have to walk go there for wait on the bus, or when me I take the bus for go play ball. And me would have just be like, why that man here right just so with that M16 just
post up.
where's
chilling.
the police?
Just put like no.
just here.
Him is the police for here.
Him is the whole police.
It's a different world, you know what I mean? It's a different.
Brother, people don't understand even the Tivoli incursion. Like the Tivoli incursion. Were you in Jamaica for that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Remember
That was-
how the whole country stopped?
Everything shut down. Everything stopped. You couldn't go outside at all.
Brother, I remember watching the TV and it said, Jesus died for us. We will die for Dodos.
Yep. And the dog. Even the dog.
And the dog.
The dog had the sign. The dog was protesting too.
This, brother, that is what needs to be a movie. Me not care what nobody say.
Yeah.
That when me see, this happened when me are 14 years old, brother. Me are 30 now. Brother, I think it was May 25th. Me know want, brother, at some days when me not ever forget, brother. You see,
Bro.
the Tivoli incursion, brother, I remember they at school and the man them say, hey, everything done, go home.
Yes, just stop
As a matter of fact, nobody leave. Your parent need to come.
you can't just leave right now. Bro, I remember hearing how terrified like the police was for even try to get involved with it. Like the man them said helicopter, they say, yeah man, one of the helicopter them drop out it. It's like, the helicopter?
Crooks.
What do you mean the man them shoot down
You
helicopter?
see, I can tell his story because he's no longer here with us now.
Yeah.
I know a man that supposedly bad man where take up himself and go
To Tivoli?
and go. And when him come back, the man lock up in a little dark space and shake so. So the man and them they curl up. Like a man fire shots until him, like the man want baptized and everything. You think of the regular terrorist in Jamaica, dog? Brother, if you think, brother, me remember walking through I used to go downtown with my granny. Granny used to carry me go market and them little thing there.
Yeah.
And market used to just be fun. No man couldn't like grab your bag and thief nothing. It used to hard.
Yeah.
Cause Coronation Market they're right across the road from Tivoli.
Yeah. So if anything
You
go
are
on-
not stealing.
Yeah.
Me remember like going back to Coronation Market after the incursion take place, and when you look upon the bullet holes, when you look upon just the bullet hole, them dog, brother, gunshot hole there everywhere.
Dang.
Me I say, hold on, where was shot not firing? Brother, the whole city, brother, when you look upon even the building them where the people them living at,
Yeah.
gunshot plaster all over it.
Wow.
The Coronation Market, half it burned down. The Denham Town police station, them fire boom it, try burn it down. Like the Spanish Town Road, block off. Gunshot left, brother. When you're in the bus, y'all drive past Spanish Town Road and y'all look, y'all say, yo, people living at them, yo. Brother, the place did crazy. And then after that, you never see police. You never see Tivoli without police. Me don't know how it is now.
Yeah.
But me know say after that, the place never go back the same, brother.
I mean, a lot of people saying that, you know, I guess the reason that they were so much championing for Dodos is because he kept that order in the area.
Yeah, but at the same time,
At what cost?
no, I wouldn't say at what cost. The order where him keep the order in a town, you know. It wasn't just the area.
Yeah.
But although the thing is, downtown set up in a certain, I think him respected all over, but him keep the order in the part where him can control.
Yeah.
You know, like if you get robbed, a West Parade, God get it for your own.
Yeah, that's not. Yeah.
Yeah, if you get robbed a Fletcher's land,
Yeah, that's your problem.
it might not most can get back your things. Cause now you have to talk to the man them from Fletcher's land. Jamaica have a whole heap of ghetto in a one area, you know that.
Yeah. Yeah. There's a lot of jurisdiction rules.
That brother, that in West Kingston alone, there's probably, let me see, me that start West Kingston from like Greenwich Farm. Oh, dog, there's too much.
So do you think we could do a Shatters series like that? Maybe not call it Shatters,
I
but
don't
like,
think it have to be a Shatters, but could we do like a bad man, like
a
tell
bad
us,
man
yeah,
I mean,
telling a
could I call
story
it bad
about
man?
each bad man?
Yeah.
It's just that how much bad man have a story worth telling.
I mean, you just tell them till them done, till they done.
Some
tell
of
them.
them, some
You
of
don't
them
have to do all
man
of
dead
them.
quick.
Yeah, but you don't have to go. You don't have to tell everybody's story, but just the most interesting ones that
Any bad
intertwine with
let me
each
see.
other.
To me, the bad man story them were worth telling in Jamaica would have be Dodos. Or I said Dodos.
And that's a whole like series.
Yeah.
That's a whole web of
Dodos
things.
have the most interesting story.
Yeah.
I said Dodos, Zeke's,
Yeah. About and them.
and them, Joel and them.
Yeah.
That would have be a Natty Morgan.
Mm-hmm.
Natty Morgan story would have good too. That there's, you see, why we just know these are criminals, you know.
Yeah, but here's the thing though. This is why I say it's interesting because I feel like we have so many stories that it's like you have to know if you know.
But wouldn't we be like, you know, wouldn't we be glorifying it?
Yeah, but Narcos does that. Nobody. It's only when, bro. You know, say it's only when like certain communities try to tell them story, it look as like glorifying negativity. But when anybody else do it, it's fine.
True.
There's
Because
3 seasons of Narcos.
what they would have to do though is it would have to be a situation where I would have said Dodos is the main,
Mm-hmm. And then
and
other
all of
little-
this is happening around Dodos.
Yeah.
Because I think him have the thing is with the Tivoli, there is a lineage. You can literally follow the whole story
Yeah.
to him.
True.
And how him get captured.
Because you can start at Jim Brown and
No, you start Siaga with Claudia Massop.
True.
You start at Siaga and Claudia Massop. And then Jim Brown. And then from Jim Brown to Dodos.
That's 3 seasons right there.
I don't think Claudia Massop would have a season though. Claudia Massop are like 2 episodes in our season.
Like the start of the.
I would have said all of this need to be. I would have said this seemed like 10 episodes.
Yeah.
First 2 are Claudia Massop.
Mm-hmm.
And I would have said after the first 2, and then we'd have put the next 5
Be
Jim Brown.
Jim Brown.
And then the remainder be Dodos.
Okay.
Jim Brown have the most interesting.
So I was about to say you don't think
Him have the most interesting and the longest run.
you don't think Dodos could be a season?
Could be a season the way it end, But in terms of, how would I say, the coke line, I'd put Jim Brown would have be the most ruthless. Jim Brown would have be the opportunity for, remember now, and it could have been fiction too, brother. Jim Brown could have got blood clot. Remember now, Jim Brown go Miami, them name Shower Posse. Just imagine me as a writer right now. Jim Brown, certified bad boy. Reason why I'm naming himself Jim Brown is because he watch Western movie. And so we could have a scene where it's like, Jim Brown say, you know what, we are going to name ourselves Shower Posse. Because we shower people with bullet. And him go to Miami. And when him go to Miami, him see Cuba and them and the Colombian them run the place. And them say, oh, she named Griselda Blanco and Escobar territory that and this or that. And Jim Brown just take a machine and say, I'm telling you no bumbo clot this. May I come kill every blood clot one. And just start go house and just start kill people. Boom, 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 boom. I'm not afraid that no boy, nobody tell them say Shower Posse is in town. Any boy, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
Real yo, me a bad boy. Nobody no run nowhere. A man have to come talk to me.
Straight.
And I suck him and them start link and them start get the cocoa and bomb.
And there's like, man was like, you know what? I like his style. Jim, was it, right?
Yeah.
I like his style, Jim. I got some work for you.
Escobar call a meeting with Jim and I say, hey.
Heard about you, man.
Here, boy, you know. Where you can get. I hear you have political connections. I say political connections.
Yes. We're looking for new routes.
Remember, you know, Escobar did I try the politics thing, you know.
Yeah.
Never did that work, you know.
Yeah.
Jim Brown basically decided the prime minister of the country, you know.
True. Which is crazy.
Remember, you know, Jim Brown used to make sure, no dog, you have to vote for JLP, you know.
Yeah. Or else.
Yeah. It's not a secret. You have to vote for JLP.
So, all right. So this could be a situation where the first 2 episodes them start off with, you know, the political.
Could I just glimpse a little, like insinuate so that a Bob Marley started off like Claudia Massop. Claudia Massop be the Dan.
Yeah.
Claudia Massop dead in a one shootout. Bam, Siaga link him, yo, Jim Brown, you want a promotion, you have to do this. And give him a picture.
I say, yo, you have to do this.
And Jim gonna do. And you know, have to send out, you just be like, all right then, yeah. You know, you shoot him, but we cripple him runway. And then it start. Him runway got a foreign, you know, so everything good. You are the man now.
And that's how it start. That's how the story. All right. So I think it could have end with all of that playing up to
him burning up.
And then I feel like the next season could start off with Dodos finding out that he's now like,
you know,
the lead.
The next season start with Dodos in a class and a school bell ring. Yeah. And you see him all walk out with him, boot them down, man, and them say, oh, Mr. Coke, blah, blah, them attack, and him there when him uptown friend them, and then when him driver come pick him up from school, him sit down and everything, everybody rich and thing, and him meet him brother them, and him realize him brother them a gangster, and him live up a cherry garden, and
and then you have to ascend to that role of. That's why I say I feel like the second season will have to be like a Godfather type deal.
Can you imagine him? I wonder why everybody afraid of him.
And just not
and
having
him just not normally care, but everybody just afraid of him for no reason. Like somebody try to lick him at school or anything, him teacher afraid of him, everybody just afraid of him and nobody don't know
it's
why.
Like tell your pops that I looked out for you. He's like, all right, cool.
Tell your pops, my pop's dead.
He's like,
he say, you know whose son that is?
He's like, oh yeah. And he's just like oblivious almost to like why he's so respected.
Brother, that would be a piece of movie.
Wow. We gotta tell our own stories, man. Cause we got cool stories.
Yeah, we need to tell our own story. Natty Morgan with that. Natty Morgan, you know the story of Natty Morgan?
No, I don't. I've only heard his name talk about like, yeah man, we bad like Natty Morgan, but there's never. Natty
Morgan was a gunman, a young gunman that died in Riverton. Yeah, Natty Morgan was a bad man from Riverton and used to rob a lot. And police make off him whole heap of time and him get away. So that's why I'm so like infamous, because him used to get away all the time.
Was Morgan like his actual name, or is that like a pirate thing?
I have no idea. I have no idea. Natty Morgan is a big folklore. The next one, I think, and them.
Yeah.
Remember the brother?
Yeah,
You remember the video?
videos of Joel and
the
them.
video of the man them killing the cow?
Yes. That was legendary. That was a legendary video. It was like, yeah, them just for nothing. Just
Man, was like kill some cow.
kill some cow just randomly. Batman, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, we're looking for this guy. It's like, oh yeah, well, good luck.
That man say like,
Good,
why the news do that?
What do you want us to do about it?
Man, them put on the news and say, this man is the man that chop up cow and we're trying to find if you know any of the whereabouts of. No, we don't.
Why crime stop? Why crime stop? It rough, you know, rough by your car, boy. Me don't know what you expect we for do about that. I don't know how you expect we for find the brother where I chop up cow. If I bother the cow them so.
Joel and them. It was a group of them, I think, you know. But it's crazy because he was actually caught and arrested.
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah, he never murdered. Never killed him.
No. Let them catch him. Is he still like
He's in jail. He's in
right
prison.
Life on life, huh? Let me see.
Hot stuff.
Joel and them.
I'm sure Joel and them, they're in prison right now. You can get life.
2 months ago. Wow.
Was he released or he
No,
died
no.
2 months ago?
No. 2 months ago. Oh, this was on January 21st. This is on the Jamaica Observer's page. Joel Andem has filed an amended notice of application seeking to have Jamaica's highest court reinstate his appeal against his 2009 conviction on gun charges, for which he's serving 20 years.
That's all him get?
That is crazy.
Freedom!
Wow.
That means that the man soon there road.
Yeah.
Damn!
Yeah.
You see what time I fly?
Wow. 2009. So that means that in 3 years he would have served all his time already.
Like what?
Like fully his wow.
Them man they're probably like 50 now.
And then after 4 years on the run was captured in May 2004 by police and soldiers during an operation in
May
Clarkson.
2004.
Yep.
So he wasn't sentenced till 2009?
Apparently.
So wait. So if him get 20 years at 2009 and him get catched at 2004, him 20 years not done?
Should be, but I don't think Jamaica work with... Jamaica do time serve?
What do you mean the time serve if a 20 years sentence me?
Yeah, but you catch me. He was convicted in 2009.
So how long was he on the run for?
He was on the run for 4 years, and they caught him in 2004.
If you caught me in 2004, I've been locked up since 2004.
Yeah, but that no means I'm a charge.
If you lock me up, Bridging, you have to count them 5 years there when
Do
we get
they?
locked. Yes, you have to.
In Jamaica, do they do that?
Everywhere in the world.
I don't think everywhere do that.
Everywhere.
I mean, Jamaica no see for do that.
Hey, free up the man. Me never see this yet.
Jamaica not doing that at all. They're like, oh no.
What do you mean? No,
No,
but
you just get convicted.
yo,
you know?
listen, hey.
You just get convicted. What you talking about?
No, I've been from 2004.
Yeah, you've been a run for 4 years. And from 2000, we should have catch you.
Yeah, but if me catch you, I'm a sentence you to 20 years.
Mm-hmm.
At 2026 now.
Mm-hmm.
Me do
That
me
means
time.
that means
At 22 years now, me did it.
so you think him should have been? You're saying him should have been out by 2024.
2024 was when him for Lego for their road.
They're like, nah. You got convicted in 2009. You're serving 20 years from 2009.
What me want to know is, what take 5 years for convict one man? How can I fight a case for 5 years and that not count towards my time? Come me there jail.
Yeah, but
It have to count towards him time.
It's a rural farming. Oh, during a operation in Clarksonville, a rural farming community in St. Ann, close to the border with Clarendon. The then 41-year-old.
Then.
He was 41 then.
Oh damn! And them a big man then.
Yeah, man. So 60, I know. Who who's reputedly the leader of the Gideon Warriors gang, had been described by police as a semi-literate who had many brushes with the law, his first being a 6-month sentence for larceny in 1983. Wow. This is not the first time Andem has sought to have the Court of Appeal review the status of his incarceration. In 2007, he made a failed attempt to have the appeal court quash his 2005 conviction handed down by the High Court Division of the Gun Court in Kingston on 2 counts of an indictment which charged illegal possession of a firearm and shooting with intent during an encounter with a police party at Skyline Drive in St. Andrew in 2002. Why? How you appeal shooting out with the police?
Self-defense.
You can't say self-defense against police?
If police are shoot after me and me have a gun, you think me not go shoot?
Yeah, but that count as self-defense?
Must.
I feel like with police, once you get in a shootout with police, it done this side. Like, how you like?
But me have, all right. Me for the stop shoot, then me them come kill me.
No, I'm not saying for stop shoot.
All right.
But I don't think there's a judge that's going to be like, so the police. Okay.
I'm telling you, there is a judge that will do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess it wasn't that judge, because it didn't work out for him.
No, it wasn't that judge at all. It was definitely not that judge.
It did not work out for him. Man.
Yeah, the man them can make a whole heap of movie at Jamaica for people, dog.
Mm-hmm.
I think Badman, music movies kind of tricky.
I think the music movies is tricky just because it's like, because we idolize these people in a certain way, it's like it's tricky to tell the story that people actually want to hear.
All right, here why. You see, for Badman movie, we can tell some lie. Just be a gunman at night and shoot up and Badman movie easy for lie.
No, I mean, but I think with Batman movie, you don't even have to lie.
Can put a Jason Statham, a man pull a gun, just so bam, take it from him. Bam, 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 bam.
Easy. But I think you don't have to lie because you expect the bad man to be terrible in the Batman movie.
And for be, yeah.
Yeah. So it's like you don't have to like.
Them can do extreme. No, when me say that, them can just elevate certain story, dog.
Yeah, but what I say is you don't have to. All right. It's okay to elevate a Pablo Escobar story. But you don't have to hide anything in a Pablo Escobar story. Because he's already a bad guy. We already know he's a bad guy. We already know
him as that, so easier.
Do you paint Michael as a bad guy?
No.
You know, do you paint Bob as a bad guy? Nobody wants to see Bob painted as a bad guy. But it's like, you know, now, would you be able to tell the actual story that might make him look like a bad guy in a certain light or in a certain situation? Nobody wants to do that. But then you end up having a bad movie because now you're just glazing. Only
2 biopics I have like not heard bad reviews about.
Which ones?
Probably 3. Ray was clearly Ray has to be the biggest,
the best one ever.
Best one.
But they painted Ray like a bad guy. He ended up, he was still legendary. But
yeah, but let me paint him as a bad boy for real.
Yeah, he wasn't, him did blind and whatever, and you tell all the stories, but he wasn't, you didn't leave that movie thinking, oh yeah, Ray Charles was an awesome fella.
I know he must make woman feel insecure as hell. Because if him can't see you, and you say, all right, then you work with him, and him still like, yeah, well, him didn't even know when he cheat, so she can't even blame him. Or if you blame a man, you don't even know what time I did.
Him no know. Yeah, true. Hey, may I watch one of them Jamaican pop the balloon there, and say, brother, there was a blind guy on there, and may I watch it? I'm like,
who put that?
First of all, why you
the blind man pop the balloon?
Brother, wickedness. First of all, I want to know why am I gonna watch? Am I gonna watch? If I wanna watch, I was like, who who picked that watch out for him? That's kind of crazy.
Tell us that with my granduncle Irving, you know. Irving will love talk to me. Oh, I'm sure you have vibes.
You can't show me no vibes, brother.
Have
you seen the vibes?
You know see it. See that them thing that me talk about today. You know you're not see nothing, Virgin. Stop, make me look evil.
It's so crazy. Like you ever think about people with born blind and like
what them see? None of them dream.
I wonder if they dream, but I also wonder like because like
you know
so you don't know color.
You know how fuck up it is for a blind man dream and see and go wake up. I wouldn't want to be the man who wake up a blind man in a dream. Man, a dream, brother. You wake up the man.
So I
don't know why me I do that.
Yeah,
no.
true. Mm-hmm. So like I've been trying to grasp this concept of because we think say when you're blind you see black. But I've heard people explain that no, when you're blind, you don't see anything. And I just can't wrap my mind around that. It's like, oh no, you don't see black, you just don't see. It's like, what do you mean by that? Isn't that black? They're like, no, you just don't see.
That, white? What that?
You just lack off vision. But it's like, but isn't lack off vision black? It's like, no, you don't see black either. I'm like, what do you mean you don't see black either?
No, I don't want blind, you know.
You know?
I want to see.
You know? Have you heard about these? You ever go Coachella?
No.
Would you go to Coachella?
No.
Why not?
Not my style.
I know your style.
I love Vegas things though.
Then why wouldn't you like Coachella? Coachella is uns.
Too much walk up and down and.
I went to Coachella one time.
Here's the thing. I don't.
You're not a big festival guy?
I'm not a big. I will pay to watch stand up.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, coming to Miami. See what I did there?
Good one.
See what I did there? Hey, coming to Miami. Get your tickets. Miami shows are almost sold out. Buy your tickets. Bam, 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 bam. DaleElliottJR.com. Yeah. Mm-hmm. But paying to see artists, to me, I would say there's a handful of artists that I would pay to see.
Yeah.
Because them actually like fun. Me not like mix the two.
Right.
So if me I go pay for see an artist, me I pay because I go see the artist. If me I pay for party, me I pay because I go party. And comments, let me know if you agree. I don't want to be at a party and partying and enjoying myself and then them tell me, hold on, because now me have to wait for an artist to come perform.
Okay.
That's one of my biggest like gripe them about like some Jamaican party. Like, if you are going to keep a party, keep the party. Don't tell me say, yeah, the party I keep, but such and such I go perform there. No. Keep the party or keep the stage show. But don't make me there so I enjoy myself. And then you are going to tell me now, say, all right, stop. And then no, so for the party done 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
11 to 1 o'clock a party, and then 1 o'clock now come the artist reach and him perform. I know me normally see people the girl them got the front go take out them phone and everybody else just cut.
Yeah.
I hate it.
Yeah.
I hate it.
I'm glad you said it because I've been telling people forever. I was like, guys, we need to figure out a better formula for this because
brother, me know enough man we keep party and them always say to me, say, yo, you know what? May I try book this such and such artist for come? Me I say, yeah, but keep a stage show for them then, no?
Yeah.
And not a party.
Because a party now, it's like, it's 2 different things that you want to happen. But they just want to get as many people in a spot as possible.
For sell them liquor.
For sell the liquor. And I get that.
I get it, but it's a terrible. Americans don't do that.
No. If I'm here for a concert, I'm here for a concert.
Like when you hear say, Liv have a little baby there. Mm-hmm. Little baby don't perform at all. little baby, it's just the nigga is just there.
Stop, bro. America seeing that, especially on the West Coast. Especially on the West
They
Coast.
would just pay an artist for just go your
Just for
party.
forward.
You know, pay him your appearance. brother, you say a man go. Don't feel like, say Drake, go Miami right now. Live, we pay Drake $100,000 and then give Drake a section and then give Drake free drinks all night. Everybody him come in, drink free. Drake not touch a mic one time.
No. If they ever got near to where the microphone is.
Them just I said Drake did it.
All right. You know how I knew?
They probably will have to pay him way more than 100.
Oh, yeah, I was about to say 100,000.
I was just taking that number.
Yeah.
No.
100,000 is not Drake price, I'm sure, for sure it up. How I knew that Drake's celebrity was really up there was when the Drake clones started popping up.
When people dress like Drake.
When this brother just look like Drake and know him have a career like Michael Jackson. Like him have a career because him look like Drake.
Can you look like Drake?
It's like, oh yeah, fake Drake is in the building tonight. It's like, oh wow.
Brother, that is when you see. Me not believe say a party for you keep and then if you stop me in a me miggle and me party and tell me say, oh yo, such and such a come perform now.
I think you're better off getting away with that at a concert. I think you're better off having a concert
and selling liquor at the concert.
But I feel like you can party more at a concert.
You party way more.
Because now it's like, okay, you're there and you're expecting. I don't like the surprise performances. That's what I hate. I hate the surprise performances.
I enjoy myself and then all of a sudden music stop.
I could have, yo, yeah man, we have the artist in our place and hey, pass through. Everybody forward to the front. God, it's like, oh no, I don't know what's going on here. But they just a wine panda gala. What happened? What happened? Why are we cutting the music now? And now me have to hear some song when me don't know. Me have to perform with you now as the artist, you know. All right, when I say walk in the club, y'all say and party. It's like no, me have to say a thing.
And you
with
don't
it.
know
Me don't know the worse if you don't know the artist.
Brother, me just think a party is just not the place to perform. Cause then a track.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I'm not mad at tracks if you can perform tracks. Some man can't perform tracks. Some man can't perform.
95%. I man them I go sing 2 lines and then say gosso.
And then dash. I think the dash way gotta be the worst thing that we as Jamaicans do.
That are the new one now. Before, brother, you know me used to hate here. You remember when I used to say level?
Level.
Come
on, level. Hear me, I man. I mean, the selector them was worse than the artist them with that though. The selector them was the worst. You just are getting at the song and then the song level and now you have to tell me this whole story before you introduce the next song.
Exactly.
But I don't know.
You know, Drake album.
Yeah, see there's like 20 tons of ice on the street randomly in Toronto right now.
Brother, this album, if this album though sells 700 to 800,000 first week, brother, apparently there was a huge explosion, a controlled explosion in Toronto, where it's like something blew up, him like create like a blow up something. Him go on one game and like have the seat, Iceman seat. The seat that we normally sit down.
Yeah, it's frozen.
Yeah, Iceman. And then him have the bricks ice put out.
I'm saying whenever that melt is
whenever that melt. I think that's just great marketing, bro.
It's great marketing. Hopefully the album's fire.
Yeah. Hopefully Kendrick though. Why you laughing? No. I'm just saying if I was a hater right now, cause Kendrick know him second.
Yeah.
I was a hater right now. The word Iceman, you're literally setting up yourself. Because If I put on a fireman outfit right now and name mine Fireman,
Kill your whole thing.
if I go do an album right now and name it Fireman,
Yep.
your whole shit fucked up.
Your whole, you know.
Like if me go do a photo shoot right now in a fireman outfit sitting on a fire truck and that as my album cover, remember just something simple like that, you know.
Yeah.
An overhead shot of me sitting on a fire truck.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God, that would go so hard, but hey.
I mean, you could also argue that, you know, he has been put on ice since our clash, you know what I mean?
He hasn't. Listen to me. I'm going to tell you this straight up. Drake stepper from music and music in a shambles.
I think music just has been in shambles.
No, Drake step away.
You think Drake stepped away from music
Drake,
and it's been in shambles ever since?
Ever since Drake stepper from hip hop.
I like how you're phrasing it as that he stepped away from music and not that he's been terribly embarrassed by Kendrick.
No, we're not going to do that. We're not going to do not terribly embarrassed.
He was terribly embarrassed, bro.
No, we're not. Because remember, said the man forward back and do Dietary, you know.
And
do the giant album, you know, the Dietary.
Yeah, and
him get about 2 songs pan that were good.
Yeah, he tried. He tried with it. It didn't.
Here, we're not talking about clashing here.
He also dropped like a terabyte worth of music on his website that nobody cared about.
I remember that.
Of course you don't. Of course, because nobody does.
Iceman.
The man dropped on the website with like his entire hard drive.
Iceman.
I mean, I hope it's a good album.
It has to be. No,
it better be. It better be.
It has to be. But I think it's gonna be them ones. It's one of them ones.
Has he done a Coachella? Has Drake done Coachella?
I don't see the big deal about I don't like Coachella like that, honestly.
Okay, he headlined Coachella in 2015, delivering a memorable but controversial performance. His weekend one set was criticized for low energy, starting 40 minutes late. Weekend 2 was generally considered a better performance. He had a surprise onstage interaction with Madonna. Bro, I've been hearing so many crazy things about this recent Coachella, because it's like, on top of it being just expensive in general, like the cheap end of a Coachella experience is like $1,200. That's like some sleeping in the car type deal. You know what I mean? Food there expensive, you know, $30 hot dogs and whatever.
$30?
Yeah, man. Coachella? Brother, I remember I wanted to get funnel cake when I went there, and it was like, yeah, $16. I was like, you are crazy. What? No, never mind. Never mind. For a donut, essentially? Nah, bro.
That them I use, you know.
Yeah, but here's what make it worse, bro. And the only reason I went to Coachella was because we were performing there. And as somebody that was performing there,
you never get no free nothing?
No, we get free stuff, yes. But I wouldn't go as a patron. There's nothing to do there.
Just a walk around.
You go from stage to stage to stage, and that's it. There's literally nothing else. And mind you, when you say go from stage to stage, it's not no one stage is not here, so, and the other stage is there, so you have to about like a mile walk to the next stage, like some serious walking, brother.
And this lasts for the whole day.
This lasts for 2 weekends.
And there's liquors all over the place. There's alcohol everywhere.
There's not everywhere. You gotta walk to the bar. What, to go to Coachella?
For a drink.
Coachella drink is probably like $30. I just factor in everything is at least $30 for anything. You might get a water for like 12. Maybe. If them still have water. There's nothing else to do there. There's no activities at Coachella. Bro, there's a building. Everybody takes pictures in front of this building. If you've seen any picture of anybody at Coachella, it's in front of this building. It's like a building with like rainbow colored glass looking thing, right? So everybody takes the pictures. You go in there and you see that there's a line there and people are like walking inside. It's like a spiral building. And I was like, oh, what's in here? And I walked up the building, brother. I'm going to go all the way up and there's nothing in there. Brother, I was so upset. You walk all the, bro, like, just walking up the top have to be at least, it took us like 20 minutes to get to the top of the building. And it's just...
And I Justin Bieber performed there, right?
Yes, that was, I think it was, they had Justin, for the headliners, they got Justin, Sabrina Carpenter, and Karol G.
You know what's sad, dog?
What?
This is the last album that Justin Bieber released. Mm-hmm. But the man of a song was so good. And when me hear her advice just chippy anything broke my vibe. You know Sweet Spot?
No, I'm gonna know that tune.
Man of a song named Sweet Spot, dog. And the man go put Sexy Red in her song. Brother, me I listen to the song. It's the sweet spot. And then I'm making Easter. And then all of a sudden, yeah, babe, turn it up. Brother, I'm a vex, dog. That's why you listen to Sweet Spot, dog.
Oh my gosh. I feel like I might know that song.
May I play it?
I feel like
Brother,
I might know that song.
Listen to that song, yeah? And then just...
I have heard this song. Yeah, cause it have like that 80s kind of.
But it's so cool. Like, me I say, yeah, me like this. Then the...
Oh gosh, when does thing that drop in?
Right after I'm done singing the chorus.
Okay.
Yeah, babe, turn it up. Brother, the girl kill a vibe, brother.
Okay.
Sweet Spot, you listen to that?
Yes.
All right.
All right.
Where she come from, it no make no sense to me.
All right. Vibes. It's sex. Put it up.
Brother, me never want to hear that. Me never want to hear that. Me don't know all the vibes how long. Don't come kill me song, Bridget.
I hear a conspiracy that Sexy Red is actually like a CIA operative.
And them have to put her.
When I hear songs like that, it's like, oh yeah, of course. Like clearly, because
here's what I think. I believe. Because Ice Spice, they fight people in a McDonald's. In Hollywood.
What is going on in the world?
What? So Ice Spice just casually, they are McDonald's that try to hide. Mm-hmm. That's smart still, because nobody not going to McDonald's go eating and so shit.
Yeah, especially in Hollywood. Like,
so she a get way.
Yeah.
They are McDonald's that eat. Random girl, no, she and the girl a fight. Where the security guard there, I don't know.
What was so weird about it to me was that Ice Spice kind of stood on business.
Yeah,
because it was like the typical California check. Yo, where are you from? It's like, where are you from? You from Cali? Where are you from? I was like, oh, shit, defend it. Like, yo, where you from then? Since you have come bad me up.
Ice Spice, I think Ice Spice probably expect for this. Ice Spice probably a fight the girl and look to our security guard and say, you fired.
You're so fired.
No, but she's so fired. That security guard.
Oh my God.
God. So here what I think happen right now. I think the labels have spent so much money on signing Ice Spice and like Sexy Red that them just don't want to take the L.
They're just trying to recoup somehow.
Them are gonna work.
All right. You know what I think the issue with the industry is right now. We're not going from why for this before I say it. We're not going from bottom up anymore. We're going from top down. And I think it's such a terrible way to go. Because we're usually what used to happen is somebody was hot in their
used
area.
To bubble first.
They're hot in their area and then you spread that out. Now it's like you're hot on the internet and you try to force feed that to everybody.
And we're seeing now where internet don't translate
it's almost never translated. I don't know why we're trying to do that. I don't know why we're trying to do that. It's like, I think they're trying to like, you know, we've painted this narrative that everybody's attention is on the phones. So you got to be hot in the phone, essentially, right? It don't matter whether or not you're respected and liked in your community and people in the community.
But I think for some people it translates.
For some people.
I just think the music have a good.
Yeah.
Olivia Dean will not have a problem with selling.
No, she won't, but that's because she's good for real. She wasn't just viral.
Exactly,
You see what I'm
she's
saying?
good for it.
But a lot of people, but a lot of labels are taking, they're trying to take people that viral. Because, all right, I don't understand how the labels thought this was going to work with this. Okay. I don't want to sign an artist that just have raw talent. That done. Them days they're done. If it's just raw talent you have, God bless you.
Yeah. When me could have get a little bit of money.
No.
Because me could have give them a little bit of money, lock them in a 1-3-4 album, and then me spend my money, make them big. No, me I go find somebody where I have leverage now, so them a follow it. So me I go charge them more.
Why am I going to build an artist when I can just get an artist where I already have a community, a functioning business platform? That's how them used to eat off of the naivety of an artist.
Yeah.
Right? So now, forget sign. You have to practically have the entire business structure already. But if I have an entire business structure already, why would I sign to you? Why would I work with you if I'm doing all of this, I'm making $7 million a year independently. Why would I need to sign to you? But the person that's actually talented, you know, I sign them because them not figure out
them
how
not have much, them not have nothing to go for them, and
they're just really good.
You know what me want to do? Me want to hold every executive and beat them with a stick, because at some point nobody not gonna stop. Uno not gonna stop sign the same 5 women them. Every girl sound like Scissor Summer Walker and Blood Clot. Scissor Summer Walker, which another one? Janae Eiko. Every fucking girl sound like them girl. You know?
Yeah.
Tiana Taylor.
That's been the prototype.
All of them. It started Janae Eiko.
Yeah.
And every girl sound like everybody. What the girl name was sing Damage? If I let you, I'll take you for granted. Yeah. Which is one of my favorite songs, as a matter of fact.
Who sing that?
Oh, honey. Brother, I love that song there, freak.
Her.
Yes. So, her, Summer Walker, Scissor, Janae Eiko, one new girl now named Girlfriend.
Oh, I don't know about she.
We sound like them. Honey Baby.
Mm-hmm. It's like one prototype. It's just one.
Tiana Taylor.
It's like everybody was sound like, that. But that's what's kind of messing up everything. We used to just find super talented, unique people and then create that into a thing. Now it's like you're trying to replicate the same thing over and over and over.
There's always good and bad, because social media help. It give and it take.
True.
Because it show talent, and it lasts talent too, because right now, I might have a more viral video right now trying to peel a potato.
Yeah.
And just having people watch me peel the potato. Like, just do nothing,
Not at all.
I'm going to do that. I'm going to make a video tomorrow.
Peeling a potato?
Peeling a potato.
With a knife?
Yeah. I'm going to probably peel it bad.
Yep. The one of them video where you just chop the potato practically
and
in
just
half.
watch how people are going to just lose it in the comments.
Yeah. But see, that is... So, here's the problem that the artists them facing. The labels will tell the artists that they need to do stuff like that. Right?
No, they don't.
No, but here's the thing. They kind of do. But honestly, I think a lot of artists too stubborn. I think a lot of artists take themselves too seriously.
A lot of artists too artisty.
All right. We need more entertainer.
Mm-hmm.
We actually need less artists, I think. I think we have enough artists, we have enough people that's doing stuff from the heart and want to do the thing with them make yes. But make something for the audience. Make something entertaining. Somebody needs to be an entertainer, bro. That's why somebody like Sexy Red would win. Think about how many actual artists there are out there for Sexy Red to be the one that gets picked to be on Justin Bieber's album.
She have to be she have to do something to stand out.
Exactly. You're entertaining. All right, even if you don't like the song, you gotta hear the Justin Bieber and Sexy Red song.
Yeah, because it just don't sound like it's supposed to go together.
You gotta hear that, even if it's not good. You know it's not gonna be good.
Justin Bieber save it though.
Because it's Justin Bieber.
Sweet spot.
You know?
I'm making ease.
Justin has been molded by the industry, so he knows exactly what he's doing. You know? Sexy Red is an entertainer, so
but this is like her second song now that I think she spoiled for me.
Which was the other one?
Honestly, she actually make one. You see the song was say, "Is it you?" Bro, I was so ready for that song to be a banger, but you see when me hear "Bend that ass over," brother, man, I said, what?
I think
it worked though.
I actually only want to hear that part.
No, I like the other part. I said like you love deep inside of me.
But I think the craziness of the hook is what makes that so good.
Brother, the thing, my eye opened up wide when me hear her. I said, whoa!
She ain't has a drink, now she ain't has a me. I was like, oh, crazy tune. Crazy tune.
That's a very good song.
I like Sexy Red's music to a point. Like I think there's songs that there's a lane for her, you know what I mean? And I'm not mad at that. But I think
at least she pick out. At least should have tried sound like.
Yeah, she sound like Sexy Red.
Should have tried sound like the Magnificent Five.
You know, it's like you need those unique voices. Music used to be about finding unique voices and highlighting that, and it's like, no, bro. Everything has been so much of a cash grab. Everybody's trying to find the next of the last thing.
Yeah, I think our rappers, stop with this Lil. Lil need for done now, man. Stop, leave Lil alone, man.
Yeah, I think the Lils can go.
Lil, come on.
I think the Lils can go.
How much more Lils?
Just pick a name. Just pick a name. If your name
Roger,
you could have just name. You don't have to be Lil Roger.
You know what I mean? Just name Roger.
Just be Roger. You know who? You know who I feel bad for? Bow Wow. Bow Wow hasn't been Lil Bow Wow for like 20 years now. And
him was a little, he did have a little name one
Yeah,
time.
he used to be Lil Bow Wow. Just like it was Lil Romeo. It was Lil Romeo and Lil Bow Wow. And then he dropped the Lil and became Bow Wow, and he's still Lil Bow Wow.
Crazy part. Wayne those sound the same.
No. All of them.
Lil Wayne turned out to that one name still. Lil Wayne.
Yeah, he's Lil
one
Wayne.
name that Lil Wayne.
I mean, there's some Lils, right? There's Lil Wayne. These are the Lils that I recognize.
If we start saying Lil, we're not done.
No, man. These are the ones that I recognize that will always be Lils.
Lil Wayne, Lil Bow Wow.
Lil Wayne.
Lil Romeo.
Lil Bow Wow. Not even Bow Wow. Lil Wayne.
Lil Jon.
Lil Jon. And
Lil Bow Wow. Lil Baby.
I'd put Lil Baby.
Yeah. Lil Bow Wow. Can't let for Lil Romeo.
No, man. I think Romeo being Romeo is fine. I think Bow Wow being Bow Wow is fine.
Lil Pump. Lil Pump. Lil Yachty.
Lil Yachty for sure.
Lil Pump, Lil Yachty, Lil Uzi.
I think Yachty.
You have to recognize all of them by them just called. Lil Pump, Lil Yachty, Lil Uzi.
But I think all of those people could also be. I think Lil Uzi could have just been Uzi.
Him could have been Uzi.
He could have just been Uzi Vert. I mean, he is like he is very little. To be fair, I think Yachty could have also been Yachty.
Yeah, little Pump. I think Pump. Now you're nothing about Pump right now.
Yeah, I mean
Pump like him boss.
No man. I think what the last thing happened with Lil Pump? Lil Pump had him have a beef with J. Cole.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah, but that was the last thing that happened with him. He met the internet gas him up into beefing with J. Cole.
And
only for J. Cole, only for him to actually be a J. Cole fan.
Yeah.
J. Cole took it way too serious.
Yeah, J. Cole, I say, oh, who that you tell? We know.
Bro, so I think what happened is, you know the internet be trolling. And he would like show his songs and they'd be like, ah man, you're like better than J. Cole. Until he started to say that he's better than J. Cole. And then J. Cole is like, no way. And then the songs, this in Lil Pump. I was like, damn, J. Cole really get drawed for Lil Pump, dog. That's crazy.
Lil Pump. Which Lil? Let's talk about Lils that didn't make it. Lil Fizz.
Lil Fizz. Damn. Lil Fizz. Lil Fizz biggest forward was off of Love and Hip Hop. Okay.
Most of the Lils make it, you know.
Rappers with, I don't think most of them made it.
Rappers with Lil that didn't make it.
Oh, how could I forget? I was like, I know I'm forgetting somebody. I know I'm forgetting somebody very important. Lil Kim, bro.
Yeah, that's a girl. Damn.
Yeah, Lil Kim. I was like,
should that be the first Lil then?
Yeah. Okay. This is
a list of Lils?
This is a list of Lils.
Crazy.
This is 33 rappers who have Lil in their name.
Damn.
Lil Wayne, of course, number one. Lil Baby. Lil Kim. Lil Durk. Lil Jon. Lil Nas X. No. Lil Uzi Vert. Lil Yachty. Oh, I didn't know Tekka had Lil in it. Lil Tekka. Lil TJ. Lil Mosey.
Oh, I know Lil TJ.
Lil Keed.
Yeah, I know that either.
Lil Bibi. Lil Reese. Did he?
I'm not sure. But Carl?
I think Lil Reese. Did Lil Reese die?
No, Reese alive.
Okay. Lil Troy. Lil Troy is like, that's our OG one. You probably don't know about Lil Troy.
Nope.
Lil Troy is, wanna be a baller. Shot caller 20. Yeah, that's Lil Twist.
No, that one.
Lil Peep. Lil Fizz. Lil Boosie. How we forget about Boosie?
Yeah, Boosie did have a little name too.
Lil Romeo. Lil Bow Wow. Lil Scrappy. Lil Pump. Lil Dicky.
Oh, wow, Lil Dicky.
Forgot about that. Lil Mama.
I don't know. Oh, yeah, that girl.
What you know about me? What you know about? Lil Xan. Lil Skies.
My name's of a coke.
Lil Flip.
Lil Flip.
Forgot about Lil Flip.
My girl Leah. Sunshine. I can call you.
Lil Flip. Lil Flip went into real estate and was just, now he flipping houses for real. Lil White. Lil B. Big up Lil B. Bass God. Lil B. Lil Snoop. Lil Debbie. I don't know who Lil Debbie is.
That was a good run, you know. That type of music there. You know that song I'm at that about?
Which one?
Sunshine.
Oh yeah, of course. It was like 106 times.
Boy. That come out the same time with, you know, Paradise?
Paradise is very nice.
That music video to me hilarious, and I'm not hearing nobody saying it. The man was so serious. We went to this before. I had to like the else can't bag him no more.
Cool
I actually feel like me think I could have pulled off the remake for that music video.
Yeah.
But just need a pants and a white. You know, I could
it was like waterfall in the back.
Wake up myself and spar with a girl.
LL Cool J.
If you want it, baby, just be real. Rest of your life, I'll take you to paradise. Yeah.
Paradise is very
nice.
Brother, when I tell you, I used to hate that line so much.
I used to love it.
Bro, I remember the first time I heard that line and I was like, there's no way LL Cool J was like, nah, I gotta drop this Paradise is very nice bar at the end of it.
But guess what? It's what we remember though.
Of course, you know.
Paradise
is very nice.
I think 50 Cent is a writer on that song, you know.
Is he? Mm-hmm. I think 50 Cent's writing capabilities is like underrated.
Around that same time, Fabulous did have the song I really like what you. That song they get so much sampling.
That's Tamia's song.
Yeah.
Where him end up on the remix feat. Can't really explain it. I'm so into you now.
Dog up on the boat. Then a few towel.
Oh gosh.
See dog, that was when R&B did have a little buzz, dog. Where's Avant? Him dead? No, dog.
No, I mean,
Avant dead?
no, man. That whole sector. Remember, bro, it wasn't just Avant, you know. You had a whole sector. That sector kind of dead.
Avant, Joe, Tank.
I forget my youth, the man, where used to wear the hat with up on the train all the time, man.
Anthony Hamilton. The man
Carl
that sing
Thompson.
Must Be, and what one name sing Must Be Nice.
Life Jennings.
Life Jennings.
Hey yo, you.
Hey yo, you. You that just picked up your CD player. I just want you to know, if you got somebody good, you better hold on to him. You know who, brother? You know what a big one?
Ooh.
If it wasn't for this man, I'd stay on my shirt, girl. I didn't Jamil.
I don't remember.
And if it wasn't for the those and 50 Jesus show, girl, you know. But oh, girl,
Jaheim.
I forgot to be a lover. Boy,
Hey.
when she starts bringing up older.
Man, said Jaheim never age well, you know.
Jaheim never put. Jaheim put her first and it never work out.
This is what happens when you put her first. It's like, Jaja, don't do him that.
Man, they mash up Jaheim. Avant was my favorite still.
Mine was Carl Thomas.
Avant have a song where him have with a girl when the song hilarious. Avant have a song where him have with a girl where him side girl a ball to him.
What?
So Avant dog side girl a ball to him and him a tell her, I said, no worry, me soon left me girl.
Oh no. Them time of them song at the taxi kid, bro.
Where the song say, baby, I know situation don't seem fair to us both, but baby girl, she's an issue. I just need to watch out. You say the things getting old, sneaking around, creeping with love on the low. But baby girl, I can't wait till it's officially us. I can't wait to tell the world about us. The girl said, plus I thought that I could take it, boy, but I don't know. You told me you was gonna leave her for me long ago. Eventually I will, but I just gotta take it slow. Please don't say you wanna give, man, I beg him side guy to steal.
Like don't
I do I
leave,
tell her
please.
that I'm falling in love. And I know I'm waiting patiently for that day when we no longer have to lie about. Man, I said, well, man, I convince him. Yo,
don't left my girl.
Man, I convince him side y'all for don't left him.
But you see, that's why I feel like there's a lot of things missing in the music, bro.
Real life missing in the
Real life
music.
things, bro. One time it was okay if you sing a song and you be a girl clown in the song, bro. That girl don't want your fam.
Leave that girl alone. That girl take you for idiot.
And you're not left her. Or you have it was okay if your girl be a yamed, bro, and sing about how much she's a yamed.
It was okay if a two girl fight over one man.
All right.
In the song. Meet up.
Meet up and link and that gone.
I know he's leaving me for you. Who said that he told you that is true? What is he telling you? Could it be the same thing that he
Bro.
He told me that he loved me. I heard that. I said, wow.
Bro, I'm saying, it's like we don't have them kind of...
We need them levels a yamadry for man and woman. You want me, but he needs you.
Bumbo toxic. Like... Them kind of style in the music, bro. They don't have them kind of vibes
You
again.
lied to me.
Bro.
She said she never turned on me. But I cry. It is.
Them kind of song there, bro.
Come on.
Dog, you ever listen to how many people sing? I don't remember. I think it's was it John Holt that was the first singer? You ever listen to Silhouette? Dennis Brown did have a version of it. Silhouette. You ever listen to that song, bro?
It's just a song. A bunny man get it up.
Wicked bun. Him pull up on him girl and see the bun a go on through the window.
You Yeah, man.
I was strolling past your house late last night. And him see two silhouettes
Man,
in the
them
window.
two silhouettes are fuck.
What's it? Oh, what a lovely couple they made. Oh, silhouette. I was like, oh, damn.
Yeah, man. It's like the man them I get bored and the man them not talk about the bun no more, yeah, man.
No, it's like
Man, them
everybody
keep-
too cool, dog.
Man, them I keep the bun a secret, yeah, man, because
Everybody's too cool, fam. Nobody know want to sing about them. I get. All right, not gonna lie. I think that's why Future is one of the most underrated artists of this generation.
but I don't think Future do it in that way, though.
He doesn't do it in that way, but he kinda does.
Future do it in a hip-hop way,
Future
not
does
a
it.
R&B.
It's not an R&B way. Future does it. All right. If you ever pre-Future song them, bro, dog, Future have a song where it's like him I tell the girl like, yo, go sleep with him if that, see if that make you feel better. Cause when me there with my girl, them, me think about you all the time.
Because when me there with my girl, it make me think about you. So
Me think about you all the time. So you go do your thing. Cause clearly all of the girl them me there with is a problem for you. It's like, bro, yes, obviously. obviously. But see, go on. See if that gonna make you feel better. Go sleep with him then. It's like, wow. Future hurt for real. In a lot of these songs, I just nah we just not preach. You know what I mean?
Brother, what are the 90s too? You know, you ever listen to the words of Pretty Brown Eyes?
No, not really.
Him
Me
just
not pay attention.
constantly I get money, you know. That's why the man say, quit breaking my heart. I beg the man, so the man get, so the dog say, breaking my heart. Breaking my heart, girl. Got me crying on inside.
This is a mint condition, right?
A bun the man I get, brother. The man I said to her, I said, yo, all right, then we get it. Stop now.
The Pretty Brown Eyes. You know I see you. It's a disguise the way you treat me. You keep holding on to your thoughts of rejection. If you're with me, you're secured. You keep telling me that your time is always taken, but I keep seeing you out alone.
She don't want the man, dog.
She don't want him. It's like, yo, pretty, yeah, man.
Brother, she don't want the man.
You always tell me say you're busy, but every time I see you, you know do nothing. Out alone, Pretty Brown Eyes. Yeah, listen to love. Your heart is pounding with desire, waiting to be unleashed. Quit breaking my heart, Pretty Brown Eyes. Don't tell your friends that I don't mean nothing to you.
Brother, the girl
Please
don't
don't
want him
deny the
at all.
truth. Tell me right now, I know your heart is in the right place. You know I won't let you down. Oh yeah, you can't disguise all the pounding of your heart. Yeah, I see your eyes and you can't hide. Start to make sense and quit playing these love games. Tell me what you're gonna do. Quit breaking my heart. It's like, yeah, she don't want you, bro.
The man just wow one girl. When I want him, brother. Mr. Biggs done have about 5 songs where he might get born already. R. Kelly take this man girl every chance him get.
Every girl.
But
Every
when
girl.
you listen to from Boys to Men, brother, when you listen to Doing Just Fine, him need to leave that girl there alone. You know what I'm saying?
Which one?
Doing Just Fine. Boys to Men have a song named Doing Just Fine, brother. Yo, that swear thing say, yo, the girl kill him.
Let me see. Doing Just Fine.
Man said,
lyrics.
there was a time when I thought life was over and doubt. When you walked away from me, my dying heart made it hard to breathe. So where on the road you felt a change in the weather and tone and said you had to journey on. One kiss in the wind and your love was gone. Now you're saying that you made a big mistake. Never meant to take your love away. But you can keep your tired apologies. Man, I said, damn.
It's like, no, you left already and me now I hear nothing from you, B.
Brother, yeah, brother.
No,
When you
I
watch
hear
the
nothing from you.
music video funny as hell, brother, because it get to one point where a dog, it's like a dog I say, that dog I say, when you said goodbye, I felt so all alone. There were times at night I couldn't sleep. My heart was much too big.
Can't sleep.
Brother, man say, after all the pain and misery you put me through, so unfair to me, girl, you're no longer my world, and I ain't missing you. And oh, you're the man bad, brother. In that music video, I get a left man for real, brother. And I'm doing just brother, the man them need to start go back in the desert, go make music video, brother.
The man them not in the desert, them not reach out to the camera and
hold on.
You know what I mean? Them thing they missing, bro. Them thing they missing. You know what I mean? We need to start bring back them kind of style, dog.
John Legend need to start putting piano them in piano them in a music video them too. In my next one too, I'm look to for good music. I'm gonna hear from in a while.
So John Legend, so I've always had like a love-hate relationship with John Legend's music. Because it's like I know it's gonna be good. Right? I know it's gonna be good.
Sometimes I feel like him do too much.
Yeah, sometimes it's like
as a show off.
It's just like, bro, give somebody else the song, man. We don't say you're gonna do it good and whatever. Put some drums behind that and turn it up.
If you want to know what nostalgia feel like, sit down right now, go out that door or drive in your car and play and just hear dum 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 dum. Let's go to the park. You remember every single thing when I look up picnic.
Lord.
You remember everything where you feel like you know. Remember that song. They will bring it back.
Wow. Have you ever seen his kids?
John Legend?
Yeah.
I think him have children with like a China girl, right?
Bro, it don't look like him. These moms didn't, their DNA didn't even try.
See, look at China, I push out of that one there, right there, so.
Oh, the
two girl them.
The girl them. The son.
The one right there, so the son up at the top look at China too.
Yeah, but John kind of look Chinese a little bit.
That too.
Like the son look exactly like him. Is John Legend Chinese? John Rogers Stevens.
He's absolutely not Chinese.
Him look like him could have Chinese. You know. Let's see. We'll just find a picture of him parents.
Let's go to the park.
Any picture of him parents? No. He's 47.
I wanna kiss you on the
holy pa.
star.
Who would you go to Coachella to see?
Chris Brown. Maybe not even Coachella because I know brother, me just not dog before me go them party the dog. Me just want I go one Z concert before. I do none of that. Me go see Z, Steve Aoki, them look at thing that me go watch, brother. Me not have time.
I feel that.
Yeah, them they are my like type of enjoyment. Nobody there Miami there was a little music festival where that go on. Me like uns, brother.
Yeah.
Where are you now that I need your you know it's not the same as it was. Was that a last year song or the year before?
Who's that? Was that Harry?
Yeah, I feel like that has become a Christmas song now.
Yeah, that's I want to say that was last year.
Just last year?
I feel like it was before that.
You know it's not the same
as it was.
Well,
when did this song come out? 2022.
Bro, that's every Christmas I hear that song. Holding you back. I said, damn, all right, we get it.
That's a pop record for you.
Yeah, that is when you know you have a record though.
Yeah, man. I think there's a I wish you had more like black pop records. But I guess that's not our sound like that.
True.
I can't imagine. Could you imagine a black artist with a song like As It Was? Who do you think would have sing something like that?
We've had people like that before. One to want to kill himself.
Who?
One to sing, "Hey brother," Avicii.
He didn't sing that though. That was that's Darius Rucker.
Yeah, but Avicii black.
No. No.
He's not black
at all.
Avicii's
like
Khalid.
I want to say he's like
Khalid. I
German
don't
or
say
something.
Khalid is like that.
Khalid. I'd give Khalid that.
Khalid is close to that.
Let me show you a picture of Avicii. That is Avicii.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, he's not
Not-
by any means.
By
R.I.P.
any-
Avicii. Legendary.
Yeah, by any means, he is not.
Yeah. But that was that singer was Darius Rucker, who was the lead singer from Hootie and the Blowfish.
I don't know who the hell is Udi.
You're too young for Hootie and the Blowfish. That was a legendary band from back in the day. So when he came out as Darius Rucker, it was a huge issue for him because everybody thought he was Hootie. Everybody thought that he was Hootie and the band was the Blowfish.
But it wasn't like that.
No, the band is just called Hootie and the Blowfish. There's no Hootie.
So who's Blowfish?
There's no. It's just Hootie and the Blowfish,
And then just run with that. You see,
and that's the name of the band. We're Hootie and the Blowfish. We all are Hootie and the Blowfish.
I'm all right, yeah, man. Well, people, stay tuned. We're here. We need to figure out on yourself. I'm coming to a city near you.
Not them need to figure out themselves. We get to themselves together and sort out that.
Get yourself together and like up the video and subscribe the video and all them thing there. Type of foolishness. We line up last. You know?
Yeah, talk one decent.
Still there. I can still see. Look at Dietary.
Yeah, look at it.
Hey, dog, know what I do.
You see me?
At least we not go ball. Thank God.
Thank God.
Some people out there can't say that.
Don't it?
Hey, people, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. You have anything to say to the people, eh?
If you're in LA this Friday,
Oh, yeah. Crooks' birthday party this
Crooks'
Friday.
birthday party. I'm also, I'm taking all the gifts, My birthday is actually on Monday,
Oh, but yeah, start it early.
but I'm starting it early, So if y'all want to send gifts, hit me up,
Well,
I got an Amazon link for if y'all want to
Well,
do
we'll
it.
be there. We'll be there.
You see me? It's going to be mad.
All right. People, we're out of here now. Peace Punch.
Captain Crunch or Box Lunch, or I change it to Box Lunch because Captain
Box
Crunch not
Lunch.
pay away.
A real thing. A real thing.
Punch Piece.
Jiffy Beast. And if you're there in Miami, not even in Miami, Netflix is a joke. Show is damn near 2 weeks away now.
Yeah.
Time is actually flying.
It's crazy. We're almost in May, bro.
Damn.
Not wild.
You know what's wild?
No.
I'm not going to say it.
Yeah. What's wild? Comments. Let us know.